Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. And friends, finally, Infosys has released the offer letter. Okay, so the selected candidate has started receiving mail for the final offer letter. I wanted to congratulate all of you. Congratulate to the one who has received this offer letter, and the one who has not received, friends, I would like to tell you, see, something better is waiting for you. Trust me, I always give you one example that during my college days, Infosys, Wipro, TCS, that time also, these were the company where maximum people were getting selected. I was rejected from Wipro. I cried whole night and that day, and trust me, I got a better opportunity than Wipro after 1 month or 2 months. I don't remember the exact time duration. So something better will definitely happen, and it's going to happen with you. Okay, so believe in God, believe on your hard work. That's all. So here let us see. Dear candidate, thank you for participating in the Infosys off-campus recruitment drive for the role of system engineer trainee. Congratulations, you have cleared the interview round to receive a final offer for the role of system engineer. The compensation for this role is INR 3.6 lakhs per annum. Friends, this mails will be definitely coming in phases. See, it's not everyone will be getting today itself. Okay, and after the document verification, they have started sending the email. So please wait for your turn. Don't get panic, sir. I answered this many questions. Will I get result? Will this will happen? That will happen. Okay. Please note, this is a conditional job offer subjected to your eligibility during the recruitment process and your background verification. If falsification of data, if there is any data which you have provided wrongly, then Infosys will revoke the offer made to you. Friends, if you have any doubt, you can send to this email. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, many people will tell you now, so you wait for 2 years for the joining, you wait for 1 year for the joining. Always there'll be negative people around you. And I'm not denying that fact also, that in the past there was delays. Okay, but friends, now they have the requirement and they know already there was a delay and there was so much hangama because of that delay, so they will not do that. But I cannot tell you like after 1 month or after 15 days or after 2 months you will be onboarded in Infosys, so that I cannot tell you. But I can definitely tell you that there won't be much delay. Okay, because they have requirement, they told they are going to hire 20,000 employee, so you can have a good hope. And friends, Infosys crash course has definitely played a very important role. Many of the selections has directly come from the student. Here you could see. Okay, so these are the messages which we have received by, and अरे भाई चलो क्या हुआ? Oh, it didn't get saved only. So I was changing the PPT, but somehow it did not get updated. What is this? Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, that's not a problem. So this is what I wanted to tell you. So friends, definitely this Infosys crash course has made a lot of difference. People have got the offer letter, people have cracked the examination, and you know how much effort we have put. And now also friends, if we have cleared the examination, if you have got the offer letter, please let us know in the comment section, because all our hard work, it totally you can only relate that how much effort we had put in on our YouTube channel for making videos, right? So regarding any information is there, Infosys asked questions, okay, Infosys exam questions. So whenever exams happens, okay, so even one short videos we had brought in, right? So Infosys exam analysis, we were the first one to do results, if there is any result, okay, if there is any exam postponed news, last minute revision, okay, one short preparation videos, top Infosys puzzle questions. Okay, so a lot of things we have done it already, and that's how the result comes, either on YouTube or even in the courses we have done that. So friends, this course has definitely done a lot of wonders in people's life. And if you're from 2024 batch, 2025 batch, getting offer letter from Infosys, trust me, you are still lucky to get in. Okay, because this companies did not hire in the last 2 years. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. Okay, and we will be there to support you out. so you do not have to worry at all. And time to time, definitely we are already working hard for you. Take care. Bye bye.